Okay, this is me, Shandell, and I'm gonna show you guys my birds. Just hold on. Okay. And these are them right here. This is a female and male. There's noise here. We have yellow water. The yellow water is the protein and the vitamins in there. We put it in here. And in there. There's my dog over there. And this is the bird right here. It's going to fly over there. Go. And yeah, so that's the nest over here.